NBA legend Derrick Rose mga idol, kinausap ang Pinoy guard ng UP. Gustong mag-NBA, mainit to, kaya huwag kayong bibitaw. Nasa Adidas camp ngayon ang super rookie ng UP last season na si Jacob Baila, mga idol, para mag-ensayo at magpalakas sa upcoming UAAP season. At saktong pumunta rin ng Adidas camp sa Europe itong NBA legend na si Derrick Rose para maging inspirasyon sa mga batang prospects under training. At ang maganda dito mga idol, kinausap niya mismo ng one-on-one ang ating Pinoy prospect. Pakinggan na lang ang kanilang pinag-usapan.
Simple. Most guys, once they do make it, they don't like work hard. But the hardest thing is making it. Some of the hardest part you ever have to do in your life. But what you doing is set the standard for your family. You know what I'm saying? So that if I could do it, that means that everybody in my generation can do it. That's because y'all got my blood. You know what I'm saying? So this is huge that you're coming over here. This setting the standard right here. You feel me? But it's about the work. When you go back, I don't know how much work you have to put in. That's something that you got to answer. But you can't shy away from that work. Like most people think about it. Billions, bro. It's only been 4,000 or 5,000. And the way y'all playing now, it's even more skilled. So you got to stay in the gym all the time because of how skilled y'all are now. You know what I'm saying? Y'all doing stuff that we weren't doing that today. You know what I'm saying? So just telling you, just being practically speaking, you got to put that work on hold. Appreciate you. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
So basically, sinabihan ni Derrick Rose itong si Jacob na kailangan pa nitong magpursige pa lalo at magdoble ng hard work para maging successful sa ang liga man ang puntahan. Of course, tinatry pa rin na i-inspire ni D-Rose itong si Jacob na wag pa rin sukuan ang NBA dream. At kahit saan man maglaro, siguradong magagamit ni Jacob ang advice ng youngest MVP ever. At malay natin, di ba? Baka under the camera, sa likod ng camera, tinuruan pa ni Derrick Rose itong si Jacob ng mga advice tungkol sa laro mismo. Baka next season, nasa UAAP o saan man pumunta itong si Jacob, makita natin ang resemblance ng laro nila ni D-Rose. Kaya kayong mga idol, tingin nyo, may future kaya itong si Jacob Baila sa mga bigating liga abroad? Join the conversation, magkomento lamang sa ibaba.